So here we are today, February 24th in Farmington Hills. A customer had two issues going on. They had a structural blow in the wall, a lot of cracking, and the basement was leaking. So the solution in this particular application is an interior drain system along with a fortress application, which they've added a hard kick plate. I don't know if you can see that, but these are screwed right into what is called the spread footing. And then we go ahead and we tie it right up to the bond for maximum strength. The guys are working hard putting in their interior drain system. We go ahead and put in a deep trench here. As you can see, a lot of companies want to ride it on this footer. Well, in this particular case, there's no way they could have put a J-channel piping system on this footing. With ours, we dig it real deep and we're going to run it into a perforated sub pump.